back to another video of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Trust Wallet. Keep watching the video till the end to figure it out, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any update from us. So let's get started. Firstly, open up your Trust Wallet account. Here, click on Create a New Wallet. It will take you to this page. Here are some privacy policies and terms of condition. Click on the square button here and then click on Continue. Now let's repeat the same process once again. Click on the square button and then click on Continue. These are some of the recovery phrases you will need to log in into your account. Copy them and save them well, because without them you cannot log in into your account. So click on Copy and then as you can see, these are the same phrases you copied a while ago. So arrange them accordingly, and then once you are done, click on the next button at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. Your account has now been successfully created. As you can see, your account is now ready to be used. That's how it's done. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment for any kind of questions and feedbacks. We will soon be back with more videos. Stay connected and goodbye till then.